Hello everybody, welcome back to channel Voxfor Lifetime, your hub for Linux and tech tutorials brought to you by Voxfor.com, your trusted source for lifetime VPS, dedicated servers, managed WordPress hosting, and monthly VPS solutions. In today's tutorial, we are diving into a handy tool for visualizing file structures in Linux. We'll learn how it works and why it's useful. Tree command is simple yet powerful tool that displays directory structures in a tree-like format. Instead of just listing files and folders, it shows their hierarchy, making it easier to understand complex file structures. It's essentially helpful for administrators and developers managing VPS or dedicated server environments. Tree does not come pre-installed in our Linux distributions. To install Tree, we will go to our blog and copy commands. To install Tree in Ubuntu, we will first update our repositories by doing sudo apt update. We will go ahead and type sudo apt update and hit enter. After the update is completed, we will install Tree by using apt install Tree. We will go to terminal and do sudo apt install Tree and hit enter. This command will install Tree on our Linux distribution. To check which version of Tree is installed in our Linux distribution, type tree space hyphen hyphen version and hit enter. We can see Tree version 2.0.2 is installed in our Linux distribution. Moving ahead, we will view the basic usage commands for Tree. To list the directory we are currently in using the tree format or tree command, we will use tree space hyphen a. We will get the contents of our directories in a tree format. Secondly, if we want to limit the depth of directory, which means how much extra directories or subdirectories it should show, use the command -l. Go back to our terminal, use tree space -l. We have to make sure L is capital, space, number of directories you want to get information about. If I only want to get information up to one subdirectory, I will type 1 and hit enter. Snap is the only directory the tree command showed us. Moving ahead, we will learn how to show full path using tree command in Linux. To show full paths by using tree command, use the -f syntax. We will go into our terminal, type tree space -f and press enter. This is full structure or full path about our current directory where we are present in our Linux distribution. There are various advanced options which are used with tree command. One such example is sorting the time with tree. To sort time, copy command with -t, go back to our terminal and paste it, tree space -t. This command shows us timestamp along with the directories for our tree. If we want to sort directories and files by time of the last modification, use the -r along with -t. Copy it, go back to our terminal, paste it, and hit enter. Similar to this, if we want to do pattern matching and perform exclusions using our tree command, we will use -p syntax along with name of our file. where we want to look. In our example, we will use the common folder over here. Go ahead to our terminal, type in tree space hyphen capital P space common and hit enter. Coming up next, we will learn if we want to exclude some specific patterns or indirect directories, we can use command hyphen I, that is capital I, along with the tree. You will copy the command, go back to our terminal and paste it and hit enter. To display file sizes with tree command, use tree space hyphen h. Copy this, go to our terminal, paste it and press enter. We can see size of directories using this command. If we want to include the readable sizes, use hyphen s command. Go back to our terminal and paste, hit enter. We can now see the sectors along with size. To generate a HTML output regarding trees using tree command, use hyphen h command along with hyphen o space name of our file. We will copy this, go to our terminal and paste it. Press enter. Now, if we want to view the directory structure, we will do cat space directory underscore structure structure dot html. This is structure of our directories in HTML format. If we want to follow symbolic links, which we have already created a tutorial on, use the hyphen L command. Copy it, go ahead to our terminal, paste it, and press enter. This command will show us the symbolic link usage along with tree command. Up next, let's view common differences between tree and other Linux commands such as ls, find, and du. ls is used for listing files without graphical interface. Find is used to search for specific files present in our Linux, and du command is used to measure disk usage. Tree command gives us a real-time and representational data. To redirect outputs of tree command into a specific file, we will use below mentioned command. Copy it, go to our terminal, paste it. You can use any file name. I'm using directory underscore structure for this example. Name will be up to you. Press enter. Structure of our directory, the output of tree command will be stored in directory structure file. To view it, we will do cat space name of our file and press enter. We can see structure of tree command in this file. We can use piping and filtering along with grep to filter outputs. To do filtering or piping using tree command, we will use hyphen a along with grep in our syntax. We will copy this, paste it in our terminal and hit enter. If we want to automate tree commands using cron jobs, first navigate to our terminal, type in cron tab space hyphen e and hit enter. We will select a editor. Use nano because it is easiest choice. After pressing 1, hit enter. In our cron tab file, scroll to bottom and paste the cron job mentioned in our blog at voxfor.com. After copying the cron command, paste it. Do a control X. After that, press Y to save the buffer and hit enter to exit. This wraps up our tutorial on tree command in Linux. We covered installation, basic usage, customization options, and practical applications. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and share it with others exploring Linux. For detailed steps, check out our blog linked in the description. And remember, whether you need lifetime VPS, managed WordPress hosting, or dedicated server, Voxfor has you covered. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.